Good morning, students. We have already completed our average profit method. Write down the next side heading, that is super profit method. Under that, write down, in this method, goodwill is calculated on the basis of excess profit earned by a firm in comparison to average profits earned by another firms. Next line. Thus the formula is, write down first one, normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. Second one, super profit is equal to actual or average profit minus normal profit. Third one, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. So under super profit method, first we will be finding out the average profit, that is total profit by number of years. Then we will be finding out the normal profit. Then we have to find out the super profit, that is average profit minus normal profit. And last is goodwill, that is super profit into number of years of purchase. So let's work out a problem. Illustration 10. A firm earned net profit during the last 7 years as follows. They have given us the profit and loss. The capital invested in the firm is 12 lakh. Normal rate of return in the similar type of business is 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2.5 years purchase of average super profit earned during the above mentioned 7 years. So first we'll be finding out the average profit. Average profit is equal to, what are the total profits? 20,000 minus 40,000 plus 2,70,000 plus 3,20,000 minus 70,000. Why minus 70,000? It is a loss. Plus 2,50,000 plus 3 lakh divided by 7. So how much is it? 10,50,000 divided by 7, which is 1,50,000. After that, we need to find out the normal profit. What is the formula for normal profit? Capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. So what is the capital invested? It is 12 lakh. So 12 lakh into, what is the normal rate of return? 10%. 10 by 100. So we get 1,20,000. Next we find out super profit. Super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. What is the average profit? We already found out the average profit. It is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000. Super profit is 30,000. Next we need to find out the goodwill. Goodwill is nothing but super profit into number of years of purchase. 30,000 into 2.5, that is 75,000. Clear? Let's take down the next illustration. A firm's average profit are 70,000. It includes an abnormal profit of 5,000. Capital invested is 5,50,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. Calculate goodwill at 4 times of super profit. So first we need to find out the actual average profit. They have given us the average profit and they have given us abnormal profit. So it is average profit minus abnormal profit. That is 70,000 minus 5,000, 65,000. Next, capital invested in the business is 5,50,000. So next we need to find out normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return divide by 100. So 5,50,000 into 10 by 100, which is 55,000. After normal profit, we need to find out the super profit. Super profit is nothing but actual average profit minus normal profit. So actual average profit we got as 65,000 minus 55,000. We get 10,000. And last we need to find out the goodwill. Goodwill is nothing but super profit into number of years of purchase. So our super profit is 10,000 and number of years of purchase they have given us 4 times of super profit. So into 4 we get 40,000. Clear? When they have given us abnormal profit, we need to deduct it from our average profit, and when they give us abnormal loss, we need to add it from our average profit. Next, illustration 13. Average profit of a firm during the last few years is 80,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. If the goodwill of the firm is 1 lakh at 4 years purchase of super profit, find the capital employed. So in this case, we know the average profit, we know the normal rate of return, we know the amount of goodwill, we know 4 years purchase. So we need to find out capital employed. So this sum will be reverse. In our previous sums, first we found out average profit and last we found out goodwill. In this sum, we'll be starting our sum with goodwill. What is the formula? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. So do we know our goodwill? Yes, it is 1 lakh. Do we know our super profit? No. Do we know our number of years of purchase? Yes. So super profit will be 1 lakh divided by 4, that is 25,000. So we know our super profit and we know our normal rate of return. We can find out our normal profit. So super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. So we know our super profit, that is 25,000. We know our actual profit, that is 80,000 minus normal profit. So normal profit will be equal to, we bring our normal profit to our left side and take 25,000 to our right hand side. So 80,000 minus 25,000 we get 55,000. After finding the normal profit, we can find our capital invested. How can we find out? Normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return divide by 100. So our normal profit is 55,000. Do we know our capital invested? No, we need to find it out. Do we know our normal rate of return? Yes. How much is it? 10%. So 10 by 100. So capital invested will be 55,000 into 100 divided by 10, that is 5,50,000. Why 100 divided by 10? Cross multiply 55,000 into 100 divided by 10. So this is how we'll be finding the capital employed. We have done the entire sum in the opposite way and at the end found out the capital employed. Take down the next sum. On April 1st, 2020, an existing firm had assets of 75,000 including cash 5,000. The partner's capital account showed a balance of 60,000 and a reserve constituted the rest. If the normal rate of return is 10% and the goodwill is 24,000 at 4 years purchase of super profit, find out the average profit. So in this sum they have given us assets which includes a cash of 5,000. So first what can we find out? We know the value of goodwill and we know the number of years of purchase. So goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. So what is our goodwill? 24,000 is equal to, we don't know our super profit, into 4. So super profit will be 24,000 divided by 4, that is 6,000. Next we need to find out our normal profit. How can we find out the normal profit? It is capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. So do we know our capital invested directly? No. They have given us the value of assets, but they have not given us the value of liability. So there is a formula for capital employed, that is assets minus liabilities. So in this sum there are no liabilities, only assets are 75,000. So our capital invested is 75,000. What is the normal rate of return? 10 by 100. So our normal profit is 7,500. So now we know our normal profit, we know our super profit. We can find out the average profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. What is our super profit? It is 6,000. Average profit do we know? No. Minus 7,500. So what will be our average profit? 6,000 plus 7,500, that is 13,500. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.